Hey there. Welcome back to our channel, where we share helpful tips and tricks on technology and apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use the WhatsApp mark as unread feature on your Android device. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to communicate with your friends and family. And it also has a mark as unread feature that can help you keep track of important messages that you may need to go back to later. Let's get started. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, long press on the chat that you want to mark as unread. When you long press on the chat, a list of options will appear. One of the options is Mark as Unread. Select this option to mark the chat as unread. This will cause the chat to be highlighted with a green dot, indicating that there are new messages in the chat. The Mark as Unread feature is perfect for messages that you may need to respond to later, or for messages that you want to remember to follow up on. You can also use it to keep track of messages that you've read but want to come back to later. To mark the chat as read again, simply long press on the chat and select Mark as Read from the list of options. This will remove the green dot and mark the chat as read. It's important to note that the Mark as Unread feature only works on individual chats. You cannot use it on group chats. In conclusion, we hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to use the WhatsApp Mark as Unread feature on your Android device. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching.